Hello my dear children, welcome to my channel Sudhir Sir Chemistry. But as so many children are requesting me, sir, can you give the model paper for our second year chemistry IP? So this is one of the important model paper which I am going to give for you. But if you go through these model paper, today means actually in this way, I am going to give two model paper. If you go through these two model paper, I will promise you, beta, you are going to score 58 marks in IP exam. Right? In that one of the model paper I am going to discuss with you. This is a second year chemistry. This one is the second year chemistry, and in this second year chemistry the first section which I am going to discuss with you, LAQ, long answers question, and that too it is for the 8 months. But this year also we are going to get, or this time we are going to get a new pattern of the paper. But what is the new pattern of the paper? We are getting the 4 LAQs. Previously we used to get only 3 LAQs, and out of that 3 we have to write any 2. But this time is not like that. Here, this time we are going to get 4 LAQs, and in that 4 LAQs we have to write 2 LAQs. So it is very easy, beta. 1 LAQ from organic chemistry, 1 LAQ from the physical chemistry, and 1 LAQ from the inorganic chemistry. Then you are getting the doubt, sir, what about the fourth one? Yeah, beta. In this case, the fourth one is also going to get from the inorganic chemistry, like a blocks and all. There we are going to get one more LAQ. So in inorganic chemistry, you are going to get 2 LAQs, organic one and physical one. Right? The first question which I want to discuss with you for the LAQ, and that one is based on our physical chemistry part. Do you know physical chemistry the most important part will be solutions, calculation of molarity. So LAQ 8 marks, the first question which one, there is a most possibility they can ask even in the exam also. What is that? A question based on the physical chemistry, where I am going to write a question number 1, and just I want to mention here as a subheading A. And subheading A mein numerical part is going to get, what is that? A solution of glucose. But it is given in your Telugu Academy textbook. Even it is given in our, what you can say, maybe the module which one you are following. In everywhere this question will be there. A solution of glucose in water is labeled as, in water is labeled as, that is a 10% W by W, labeled as 10% W by W. Now they will ask us to get what would be the molarity of the solution. They can ask us, sir, what would be the molarity of the solution? But what would be the molarity of the solution? If I will ask the molarity means capital M. If they will ask the molality, capital M. But they are asking about capital M molarity of the solution. But a molarity equal to weight by gram molecular weight into 1000 by volume of the solution is in the ml. Same concept you have to apply, we'll get the answer. Part B, beta. Part B. What is that? What is the relative lowering of vapor pressure? What is relative lowering of vapor pressure? Beta, what is the relative lowering of vapor pressure, and how it is useful to determine the molar mass of the solute? How it is useful to determine molar mass of solute. See beta, this is the first part we are getting 4 marks, and this is the second part where we are getting 4 marks. Total we are able to score, what is that, 8 marks. Beta, in this LAQ 8 marks are there. Out of 4 you have to write any 2. 8 plus 8, 16. Now question number 2, beta. The question number 2 I am going to give from the organic. What is that? Write the following reactions. Means some name reactions are there. You can see it in my video already uploaded. 11 named reactions are there. If you buy out these all 11 named reactions, definitely out of that 11 we are able to write one LAQ for 8 marks and one SAQ for 4 marks, or one LAQ for 8 marks or one SAQ for 2 marks, VSEQ for 2 marks. Means we are able to score 8 plus 2 10, or we are able to score 8 plus 4 12 if we'll go with that all 11 name reaction. It was already uploaded in my video, you can go and check it. Write the following, yeah beta, write the following name reaction. Following name reactions with one example for each beta. With one example of each. What is that name reaction beta? The first one, Williamson synthesis. First one beta, Williamson synthesis. You know, if you write this name reaction, you'll get 2 marks. Second one, Raymer-Tiemann reactions. B. Second one, sir, it is a Raymer-Tiemann's reaction. Another beta 2 marks. 2 plus 2, 4. The third name reaction, which one we are able to write, and that one is carbyl-amine reactions. This one also we did beta. Carbyl-amine reaction. And fourth one, that one is nothing but the acylation part, that will be called as a Kolbe's reaction. And fourth one is that Kolbe's reaction. See beta, these are the each name reaction. If you write, we'll get 2 marks. Overall 2, 4, 6 and 8 marks. So this is the part we are getting from the organic. Right beta? And third part, which one we are going to get from the inorganic part, and that is preparation of ozone. So beta, how O3 means ozone is prepared from oxygen. How ozone is prepared from oxygen. Ozone prepared from oxygen, and explain its reaction with. Yeah beta. Explain its reaction with. See beta, if you write preparation of ozone, and if you explain this reaction of this ozone with the following. Following means what? We can say ethylene. Explain its reaction with. Shall I write beta? A. C2H4 called as a ethylene. Then B. Beta potassium iodide. That one is Ki. Reaction of this one with the Hg and PBS. C with the Hg, and D, that one is PBS. See beta, how is ozone prepared from the oxygen, and explain its reaction with the ethylene, Ki and Hg and PBS. Is it clear? So these are the 3 LAQ which one I did. But one more LAQ, mostly they can ask it from our physical part, and that is from chemical kinetics. So question number 4 beta I want to give. What is that? Key discuss, or we can say question number 4 में part A we can say derive an integrated rate equation. Derive an integrated rate equation. Integrated rate equation for first order reaction. Right? And part B beta, if you write this one 4 marks, and part B, discuss the effect of catalyst. Discuss the effect of catalyst. Beta, discuss the effect of catalyst on the kinetics of chemical reaction. On the kinetics of chemical reactions, right? With a suitable diagram. See beta, this time what I gave in this model paper, it is a, we can say sir, it is a model paper number 1, because I am going to give for you total 3 model paper. Among that definitely the first and second model paper if you buy it, third one is nothing but a mix of 1 and 2 only. So indirectly 2 model paper you have to prepare. But in this model paper I have given 2 questions from the physical chemistry, but 1 question from chemical kinetics, and this is another physical chemistry question which is coming from solution. Remaining 1 is from the organic and 1 is from the inorganic. If you prepare these 4, definitely you are able to write beta 2 LAQs in your IP exam. Please take a screenshot of this LAQ beta. We'll go for the SAQ also. And you can see beta, derive the integrated rate equation of first order kinetics. Now beta, this part already uploaded in my YouTube. Already uploaded, right? How is ozone prepared from oxygen? Explain this reaction with all already uploaded my YouTube. Once you go through it, beta, in very simple way I have given to score the 8 marks. Even write the following name reaction with examples. This all the 11 name reaction was uploaded in my YouTube, beta. Please go through it. You can search, you will get it. Or you can ask the request, I will send you the link of that one. Williamson synthesis, Raymond-Tamer, carbolamine and Kolbe reaction. And here, what is the RLBP, how it is useful to determine the molar mass? This was uploaded, beta, but this numerical I didn't do. But in my next video, definitely I will do this part also. Right? Take a screenshot, beta. Now we'll go for the another one, that is a SAQ, 4 marks. Right? Now, beta, SAQ will start here. That is for 4 marks. Short answers question, and that is for what, beta? 4 marks. Right? And according to new model, beta, we are going to get some 14, I think 11 to 22. That means, sorry, we are going to get, beta, nearly 11 to 22. That means 12 SAQs are there, and out of 12 SAQs we have to write as a 6 SAQs. Right? See here, beta, what is the SAQs they can ask? Means you have to write any 6. So now question number 1, beta, in this case, derive the Bragg equation. It is the most important question, beta. This one is the most important question. Derives Bragg equation. Beta, it is from the solid state, and already it was uploaded in my YouTube. Once you go through it, you will get the derive the Bragg equation for 4 marks. Second question, they can ask, beta, from our what you can say, electrochemistry man, construction and working of a SHE with neat level diagram. Right, beta? We can say the statement in such a way: give the construction and working of, give construction and working of standard hydrogen electrode with neat diagram. But if you draw the diagram, you will get 1 mark. Right? If you write the construction for that one, representation of cell, you will get 1 mark. And explanation of the cell, if you explain it, we'll get again the remaining 2 marks. It's a very simple question, better. The third question, they can ask from the, what you can say, surface chemistry. What are the differences of the different type of adsorption, and give any four differences between physical and chemical adsorption. So we can write here, what are the different type of adsorption, better. Third one, what are different types of adsorption? Give any 4 differences between physical and chemical adsorptions. Between physical and chemical adsorptions. Right, beta? So I think you know what are the different type of adsorption, physical adsorption and the chemical adsorption. What is the any 4 differences between that one, beta? Physical adsorption ke 4 point, chemical adsorption ke 4 point. Just you go through it, you are able to write this one also. Now third SAQs, then we'll go with a SAQ number 4, beta. What is that SAQ number 4? Actually, what is the electrolysis, and give the Faraday's first law of electrolysis. What is electrolysis, and we can say give Faraday's first law of electrolysis. Give Faraday's first law of electrolysis. Beta, this question also it was uploaded in my YouTube. You can go through it. You are able to see. I have given. Actually, mostly exam they will ask you state the Faraday first law, but I have given Faraday first law as well as the Faraday second law. Right? These are the 4 SAQs over. But the next one is again from, we can say for p-block element they can ask the question, better. What is that? What do you understand, or what you can say, what are lyophilic and lyophobic soul? Actually, this lyophilic and lyophobic soul come under the same, beta, our surface chemistry. So we can say what are lyophilic and lyophobic soul? What are lyophilic and lyophobic soul? हाँ बेटा, lyophobic, that is, we can say in the one case both are the actually what we can say beta, lyophilic and lyophobic soul. This both will come under, one part is a loving part, other part is a beta hating part. So what are the lyophilic and lyophobic soul? Compare the two terms in terms of stability and reversibility. Means we can say compare, or we can say give two differences between them. But give two differences between them. So write down the two differences of the lyophilic and two differences of the lyophobic. Beta, this part it will be there in surface chemistry. In surface chemistry, when we are talking about adsorptions and all, and when we come for the part called as a emulsions, right beta? Actually true solution is there, emulsion is there, suspension is there. There we are going to go through the term called as a lyophilic and lyophobic. Example beta, one is a starch solution, another one is a gold solution. But a starch solution may, what we can say, it is an example of a lyophilic, but gold solution is example of what? Lyophobic. And we have to give there minimum two differences between the lyophilic and lyophobic. Take a screenshot of this one. So beta, this is lyophilic and lyophobic soul. It is nothing but the dispersed phase and dispersion medium. But in one case, dispersed phase has more affinity toward the dispersion medium called as lyophilic, example starch soul. Dispersed phase has less affinity toward the dispersion medium called as a lyophobic, and example is a gold soul. Right beta? Chalo, next one, question number 5 over, then sixth one we will go. Sixth one is reaction of phosphorus with the following. That means how does phosphorus react with the SoCl2 and SO2Cl2? How does P4 reacts with number A SoCl2 and number B SO2Cl2? Reaction of phosphorus with the following compound. But next one is what are the interhalogen compound? Give some examples. What are interhalogen compound? But what are interhalogen compound? Give some examples. But everybody knows should this one. This is a very, very important question in our what you can say halogens, and in that one part will be called as a interhalogen compound. We have to give the examples and what are the interhalogen compound we have to write for 4 marks. Right? Next one is how you can prepare Cl2 from HCl. How can you prepare chlorine from HCl and HCl from Cl2? Very good question beta. How you can prepare Cl2, you can prepare Cl2 from HCl and HCl from Cl2. Ulta beta. Preparation of chlorine from HCl, preparation of HCl from chlorine. How we can prepare this Cl2 from HCl and HCl from Cl2? Write the reactions. Write the reactions. How many SCQs over beta here? Till now 8 SCQs over. We have to write 12 SCQs beta, and out of 12 they are asking us to write any 6. Next one, how are XCF2 and XCF4 prepared? Give their structures. How are XCF2 and XCF4 are prepared? Means preparation of XeO2 and XCF4, and give their structures. Give their structures. Total how many sir? 9 over. Take a screenshot of this one. But question number 10, I'll write here now. Question number 10, and that question number 10 is coming from the coordination compound, where we learn the Werner's theory. So explain Werner's theory of coordination compound with example. Explain Werner's theory of coordination compound, yeah beta, of coordination compound with examples. Explain Werner's theory of coordination compound with examples. Beta, in that one they will ask us to write the IUPAC names of the compound also. Means they will give some compound and they will ask to write the IUPAC name of the compound. Question number 11 beta, where we have to write here, using IUPAC norm, yeah beta, using IUPAC norm, write the formula of the following. Using IUPAC norm, write the formulae of the following. Means in this case, beta, they will give the name of the compound, then we have to write the formula. Let us see the first one is, I hope the first one in the book they gave, tetrahydroxyzincate. Tetrahydroxyzincate means Zn beta. Zincate means Zn, 2 iron. Right? Tetrahydroxyzincate 2 iron. Second one, hexaamine cobalt 3 sulfate. Hexaamine cobalt 2 sulfate. But the third one we can say potassium tetrachloropalladate. Potassium tetrachloropalladate. Palladate means palladium we are using and it is given as a Roman number 2. Right beta? And the last one is potassium trioxylatochromate 3. Potassium trioxylatochromate 3 beta. Oxalatochromate 3. Right? So this is how many 11 questions over. But the last question is they are asking from organic part also beta. And that part is nothing but the how will you carry the following conversion? Ethane to bromoethane and toluene to benzyl alcohol. Last question from the organic part. Actually name reaction they will give, but already the name reaction I have given for LAQ. Now no need to write the again and again name reaction. The last part from the organic, which one I will give. How will you convert or how will you carry out the following conversions? How will you carry out the following conversion? What is the following conversion beta? First one, ethane to bromoethane and toluene to benzyl alcohol. Ethane to bromoethane and B beta toluene to benzyl alcohol. Right? How many sir? We did beta 12 SAQs. If you prepare these 12 SAQs, 100% guarantee beta in IP you are able to write at least 8 questions. They are asking to write only 6, but you are able to write beta minimum 8 questions from this one. This is the most important guest questions which I have selected from our Telugu Academy textbook, not from NCERT beta, Telugu Academy textbooks. Because I am habituated with the NCERT, but now it is Telugu Academy part for IP and it is the most important selected question from the Telugu Academy. Right? Take a screenshot of this one. But now from this SAQ part, we are going to discuss now the another one is that is a VSAQ, 2 marks. You know, according to new model, we are having somewhere 15 VSAQs are there, but out of 15 VSAQs we have to write any 10. So this time there is a more possibility beta is there for you to score 60 out of 60 marks. Now previously we don't have any choice in the VSAQs, so whatever the 10 VSAQs they have to give, we have to write that one. But this time it's not like that. We are having 15 VSEQs, beta. Out of 15 VSEQs, we have to write any 10. And I know everybody are able to attend all the 10 VSEQs because basic part is very simple. See, beta, very short answer question. Each question carry 2 marks. And here we have to write any 10 VSEQs out of 15. The first one, most important, every book it is given. What is Frankel defect? What is Frankel defect? Very good, beta. Second VSEQs. What is that, beta? What is the coordination number of atom in the cubic closed packed structure? What is coordination number? Beta, what is coordination number of atoms in cubic closed packed structures? But in cubic closed packed structure, what is the coordination number of the atom? The third one, very important, beta. How do you distinguish between crystal lattice and unit cell? How do you distinguish between crystal lattice and unit cell? Point number, that is question number 4, beta. Define mole fraction and numerical based on that one. But we can say only the 2 marks के लिए no need to go with a numerical, beta. Only define the mole fraction. Sometimes they will ask us to give the numerical, but enough, beta. Define the mole fraction. Then state the Henry's law. One more is there. State HENRY''. Beta, state the Henry's law. Question number 6 we can say. What are the isotonic solutions? See here. What are isotonic solution? Beta, what are the isotonic solutions? Right? One more, question number 7 I will write here. Define osmotic pressure. Define osmotic pressure. Right, beta? Question number 8 also. I think you are able to see, beta, question number 8. What is that? Ki, define osmotic pressure. Beta, we can go with it. What are missiles? Give one examples. See here. What are missiles? Give one example. Beta, what are missiles? And give one example. Question number 9 we can say, beta, here. Ki, why is H2A is a liquid while H2S is a gas? Question number 9. Why H2O is a liquid but H2S is a gas? Right, beta? Why H2 is a liquid but H2S is a gas? We can write, beta, again one more. Write any 2 uses of a argon. You know, noble gases mate is given there. What is that? Write any 2 uses of a noble gas called as a argon. Write any 2 uses of argon. Yeah, but this question also they can ask for the VSEQs only. Right? Question number 11. It is from surface chemistry. What is that? You know, surface chemistry mein ki the moist air becomes dry in presence of silica gel. The moist air becomes dry in presence of silica gel. Explain or why? Thus we have to give the reason here. The moist air become dry in presence of silica gel. Give reason for this one. This why means you have to write the reason for that one. But one more. Among the, we can say, SO2 hydrogen which is absorbed more readily on the surface of charcoal. Among SO2 and H2 which is absorbed more which is adsorb more on the surface of charcoal, on the surface of charcoal, and why? Means reason. Why means don't write all the thing beta, only reason, right? One more we can say beta, what is an ambidentate ligand? Give example. What is an ambidentate? What is an ambidentate ligands? Give example. See beta, previously we used to get only 10 VSQs, but this time where you are able to see now beta, give examples. But this time we are getting 15 VSQs, and in that 15 you have to write any 10. It's a very simple beta to score 10 into 20 marks. Very simple, right? Then another one, nitrogen molecule is highly stable. Why? Nitrogen molecule, see here, nitrogen molecule is highly stable. Nitrogen molecule is highly stable. Why? That you have to write. But the last question is, write the biological function of nucleic acid. Write the biological functions of. Write the biological functions of nucleic acid. See beta, this is a complete paper for 60 marks, and this is a model paper 1 which one I have given for you. Same way, second model paper also I will give beta. If you prepare these two model paper, I will guarantee beta, I will tell you, you people are easily you are able to score 58 is the minimum and 60 mark is the maximum. Right? Take a screenshot of this one beta. So beta, this is a complete model paper which one I have given for you, right? In my next video beta, I will upload another model paper, and please prepare both the model paper. If you are having doubt, you can see all the answers I am going to upload in my video YouTube channel, and once you can go through it and one by one you can prepare it, right? Thank you beta, thank you very much. Have a great day. All the best. Prepare for your exam, and my blessing is there with you beta. You people, every people, those who are watching my videos, my channel, all people are able to score 60 out of 60 in your chemistry exam. All the best beta. Take care. Bye.